Hey, welcome back to Growers Tips, where we don't just grow plants, we grow smarter growers. Today we're diving headfirst into something that most people walk all over. Literally. Your soil. Now before you yawn and click away, let me hit you with this. Your soil is alive. I'm not talking about a metaphor. I mean literally full of life, like microscopic critters having turf wars under your tomatoes, like billions of living organisms in a single teaspoon. And if you're not treating your soil like the living universe it is, you're leaving flavor, yield, and plant health on the table. This living system is called the soil food web, and once you get it, your whole grow game levels up. It's like going from a tricycle to a rocket ship. So what is the soil food web? It's a network of organisms. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, microarthropods, earthworms, all living, eating, pooping, and interacting with plant roots. They trade nutrients, protect each other, and keep everything in balance. It's like a microscopic farmer's market underneath every plant. And here's the kicker, your plants are running the show. Roots release sugars into the soil called exudates, and those sugars are like little advertisements. Hey bacteria, come over here and bring me some nitrogen. The bacteria show up and boom, nutrients start moving. Plants literally farm microbes to feed themselves, let that sink in. If you're still blasting your soil with salt-based nutrients and ignoring the life underground, you're basically short-circuiting that whole natural system. It's like microwaving a gourmet meal because you're too impatient to let the flavors develop. You'll still eat, but it ain't gonna taste the same. When soil is alive, it buffers pH, it balances moisture, it resists pests and diseases. It makes nutrients more available right when your plant needs them. Dead soil can't do that. Dead soil needs you to babysit it. Water schedules, strict nutrient charts, flushing schedules, Living soil? That's a self-sustaining engine. You build it right, and it feeds itself, and your plants, for years. Now, I'm not saying this is some woo-woo mystical garden gospel. This is real biology. Documented, peer-reviewed, proven on farms, gardens, and grows around the world. And if you're growing cannabis, let me just say, plants grown in a living soil system don't just grow bigger, they grow better. Smoother smoke, richer terps, better resistance to stress. You can taste the difference when your soil is doing the heavy lifting. So if you want to level up as a grower, stop thinking about feeding plants and start thinking about feeding soil. Because when you take care of the microbes take care of the plant. And that's what this whole series is about. In the next episodes, we're going to break down the individual players. The bacteria, the fungi, the predators, the balance. You're gonna know your soil like it's your neighborhood. This ain't hydro versus soil. This is life versus lifeless. And once you grow with life, you never go back. Let's get into it.